Whoever disassembled this last didn't have the... That's the bottom half of the radiator. Naughty. I don't see the problem with that. So I was happily tinkering along, refurbishing this alternator bracket for the very simple reason that the adjustment screw is an M6 and it looked like this. You can't really see that, but it doesn't matter. It's really corroded. And if that thing gets stuck, I would have to take it out anyway. When I was then looking at whatever is left in the engine bay, I kept wondering, why is this capped? And looking in my clever book, it's supposed to go somewhere. And while I was then looking at the distributor vacuum, which is not connected at all, I wanted to know what this hose does and figured out it is also capped. Yeah, not so great. Really not so great. I don't know what this mumbo jumbo is about and why can't people just buy the part? Just make it right. It's not that expensive, and in the long run, it's just a better thing to do. I feel a bit lost right now, because at this point I'm not going to reassemble anything. I have decided that it is pretty pointless to continue on upwards because I have to do some research on vacuum hoses and coolant hoses and all sorts of other hoses. So I'm gonna try my luck at timing belt now. Wanna read with me? While I am literally waiting for paint to dry, I have to show you something. Now, as much as I'd like to go in here, there's no point in doing so because thing doesn't run, thing doesn't drive. But this is the gear shift situation. So we have this much play in between even feeling an engagement. Left and right tension seems to be all right, although there is play in that. But now I'm in gear, now I'm out of gear, and now I'm in gear again. Like, look at that. This is just and also this is a problem. So we are underneath the car now, and I brought a light. Let me put said light maybe here. It's all right. This is the shift linkage. Now watch what happens if I try to engage a gear. This is all dead space where nothing is happening because this is shot. Like there's play in every component. It's disastrous. I don't even know if I could potentially even drive this as it is. So I went on the interwebs. You and this and that and that. Now what these parts are is this is to take the slop out of the shift lever. This is the repair kit for that horrendously defeated lever system in the middle, and these are the biellet, as they're called, the shift rods. Let's see how complicated this system is. You know what? I think we need a little more reality. Nothing is finished. Nothing is finished at all. I took things apart, I started to clean things, I had to order a lot of things. Most of them didn't show up, and that's what you have. And that's also a very integral part of a restoration that is usually glossed over very glamorously in time lapses and, you know, cut down versions. Stuff doesn't happen fast. Even if you want it to, it just doesn't. It is the true reality of restoration life. stuff doesn't go to plan, and when it does, it still costs more and you need stuff, and then you can't continue on upwards because you need one single part. And at a certain point, that one single part can halt the entire progress, which is why, who am I kidding? There's still loads of problems left. Slightly overbend this, then slightly bend this up, and there you have it. It goes from one side to the other. It barely contacts here, as did the original, and these are for clips, and then this goes down there really rather smoothly. Most definitely a vast improvement over the crusty original, which we now can test. No bueno.